In this video, we are going to draw an Eiffel Tower. Because of the pandemic, it's not easy to travel around, but that shouldn't stop us from exploring all these different countries and the cool landmarks. I found this Eiffel Tower photo online and I thought we should draw it together and feel like we're in Paris at least for the next 15 minutes. This Eiffel Tower is not hard to draw as long as you plan ahead well. There will be a lot of dividing, sectioning, and drawing axes, but it will be pretty straightforward and fun. I will try my best to show you guys how to draw this Eiffel Tower in a cute way, but still look pretty realistic. So hopefully you guys enjoy drawing this Eiffel Tower. I'm going to draw a very tall and skinny triangle as an overall shape of the Eiffel Tower. But to do that, I'm drawing a long vertical line first to draw a symmetrical triangle. And then I divide the whole thing in half and then another half at the bottom portion. And now I'm shaping the tower to look very long and skinny at the top and a kind of fat and squatty at the bottom. And not to confuse myself, I'm erasing guidelines before drawing any more details. All the way to the top, I'm drawing a pentagon looking like a house, and then making the end very pointy with a circle in the middle. At the bottom, I'm drawing a half circle. Let's clean up the drawing again before drawing more details. For the middle section, horizontally, I'm dividing into 3, and at the bottom, I'm dividing into 4. And now I'm dividing them into half vertically. It's time to divide the top section. I'm not counting how many lines I'm drawing here, but I'm trying to make a square, so draw the line that makes a square. All the dividing things are almost done, so it's time to draw axes within those squares. I'm drawing the horizontal lines here to make squares, and then start drawing the axis again within those small squares. For the bottom area, I'm drawing large axes. Around the arch, I'm drawing some scallops to decorate. And at the top, I'm drawing 3 axes there. I think all the pencil sketches are done, so let's clean up the drawing again with the eraser. But before moving on to the permanent marker, let's draw some clouds to show how tall this Eiffel Tower is. It's going to make your drawing cuter as well. Now it's time to draw the outline with a marker. I'm going to use a marker only for the outer shape, but for the rest of the details, I'm going to use a pen. I'm switching to a pen now. I'm drawing all the horizontal lines first because it's easier for my wrist to draw in one direction. I enjoy so much drawing these axes. Drawing something repetitive looks boring, but it's actually fun. I become so calm, focused, and satisfied. One thing I forgot to draw is the horizontal line dividing the square. It's actually there in the reference photo, but for some reason I forgot to draw that at the pencil stage. I feel like the left cloud can be slightly bigger, so I'm making that bigger now. I forgot to draw the axis in the middle area again, so let's fill up the space. Now all the outlines are done, so let's erase all the pencil sketches. We are not going to color the Eiffel Tower, but we will color the clouds. I'm using a very light blue to color the clouds. Now your Eiffel Tower drawing is done, but if you want to make your drawing extra cute, you can draw some cute facial expressions to the clouds. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I would love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!